How to make money with AI in 2023. AI can assist you in making money in a number of ways, mainly by increasing productivity and lowering expenses. AI can help businesses increase productivity and profitability by automating repetitive tasks and offering insights that humans might overlook. For instance, chatbots powered by AI can answer customer service questions, freeing up human customer service agents to concentrate on more complicated problems. AI can also instantly analyze vast amounts of data to detect trends and patterns that humans might miss. This can assist companies in making data-driven choices and enhancing their financial performance. By analyzing consumer behavior and preferences, AI can also assist companies in improving their marketing efforts and enabling targeted advertising campaigns. AI can improve supply chain management by forecasting demand and minimizing wasteful stockpiles. AI can also aid in the detection and prevention of fraud, saving companies from financial losses brought on by fraudulent activities. AI can be used to generate income in a variety of methods. Here are a few examples. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 5. Develop AI software. You can create AI software and market it to companies or individuals if you are skilled in programming and have understanding of AI. Anything from chatbots and virtual assistants to image identification and natural language processing software could fall under this category. If you are knowledgeable about artificial intelligence and have programming skills, creating AI software can be a lucrative method to make money. You must have a thorough grasp of the underlying algorithms and methods used in machine learning, deep learning, and other AI applications in order to create AI software. You must select the right computer language and framework for your project before you can begin to create AI software. TensorFlow and PyTorch are just two of the many frameworks that can be used to create AI models. Python is a well-liked language for AI creation. By gathering and preparing your data, choosing a suitable algorithm, and training your model, you can begin developing your AI software once you have decided on your language and framework. To discover the best solution for your specific use case, you will need to experiment with various techniques and architectures. 4. Offer AI consulting services. If you are knowledgeable about AI, you can provide advisory services to companies that want to use AI technology but lack the internal knowledge to do so. If you are knowledgeable about artificial intelligence and have a clear grasp of how businesses can use AI to enhance their operations, providing AI consulting services can be a lucrative way to earn money. As an AI expert, you can assist companies in identifying potential uses for AI, designing AI solutions, and putting those solutions into practice. You must have a thorough grasp of the various AI applications and techniques, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, in order to provide AI consulting services. To be able to offer your clients customized solutions, you must also have expertise working with various industries and use cases. It's crucial to remember that providing AI consulting services necessitates excellent project management, collaboration, and comprehension abilities for non-technical stakeholders. Since AI is an area that is rapidly developing, it's essential to keep up with the most recent developments in order to offer your clients the best possible solutions. 3. Sell AI products. Additionally, you can produce and market AI-powered goods for customers, including wearable tech, smart home appliances, and health monitors. If you are knowledgeable about artificial intelligence and have the ability to develop products that are cutting-edge and meet the needs of your clients, selling AI products can be a lucrative way to make money. You can create and market a variety of goods as an AI product seller, including smart home appliances, wearable technology, health monitors, and more. You will need to have a thorough knowledge of the various AI applications and techniques, as well as the ability to create and develop products that integrate AI, in order to market AI products. To develop products that satisfy the needs of your target market, you will also need to have an understanding of the market. It's crucial to remember that marketing AI products necessitates a sizable investment of time, money, and resources, as well as having a solid grasp of the market and your target market's requirements. To remain competitive in the market, you will need to stay abreast of the most recent developments in AI technology and continuously enhance your goods. 2. Create AI training data. To train their AI models, many businesses require a lot of data, and they may be ready to pay for it. These businesses will buy the data you collect and sell to them. If you have the skills to accurately and efficiently collect and label massive amounts of data, creating AI training data can be a lucrative way to earn money. You can produce datasets for different AI applications, such as speech recognition, computer vision, and natural language processing, as an AI training data provider. You will need to have a thorough grasp of the various AI applications as well as the capacity to accurately and efficiently gather and label sizable amounts of data in order to generate AI training data. You might need to gather information from the internet, public databases, and user-generated material, among other places. It's crucial to adhere to best practices and make sure the data is correct and clean when gathering and labeling it. The data may need to be cleaned and pre-processed using a variety of tools and methods, including data deduplication, data standardization, and data augmentation. 1. Participate in AI competitions. For winning AI competitions, some businesses and organizations give cash prizes. Participating in these contests can help you develop your AI abilities while earning money. If you have knowledge of artificial intelligence and a competitive nature, competing in AI competitions can be a fun and possibly profitable way to earn money. AI competitions give people or teams the chance to fight against one another by creating the best AI models for a specific use case or issue. Numerous AI contests are accessible, including those sponsored by businesses like Kaggle, AI Crowd, and Data Science Challenge. These contests provide the chance to win money, recognition, and networking chances with other industry experts. You must possess a thorough grasp of the various AI applications and techniques as well as the capacity to create creative and efficient AI models in order to compete in AI contests. For the best answer to the issue statement for the competition, you might need to test out various algorithms and methods. Overall, the application of AI in business has the potential to improve profitability and growth opportunities by streamlining processes, cutting expenses, and raising revenue. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing facts and ideas, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.